Side. It's got to come up a little bit.
See how low it is?
Yeah. Try that seam up. You gonna do it? So it's just dry fitted, just sheet metal screwed right now. Very rough, but it's coming out.
Yep.
Yeah, it's got to come up big time for that to work.
We might have to cut that box like this. Look, cut the back box, jack it up, and then weld it back in so it's straight.
Give me a hammer.
Follow me?
Hammer and a block.
What do you want?
2 hammers.
Right there's the big meats. You trying to roll that?
Yeah.
So this was, look, this was hit here, look, here, here. Alright, so we're just going to set the glass on for now.
Alright, give me a drill and some screws.
You're going to screw, I wouldn't put too many more screws.
Well, dude, it gets windy here.
What? Put a car cover on? Get out of your mind.
Here, push this back so I can...
This is actually feeling easier than the other side. Yep. Yes, sir.
How do you work?
We're going to cut that box in the back. We're going to jack this rail back up so it's straight.
That's it.
I mean, the body line's close here. Like, really close.
You might be able to jack. Yeah, it's definitely got to come off. Dude, the lines are pretty straight. I'd like to set it in more.
We are.
The upper one in.
This one's gonna come in, but we got to get this box up.
Yeah. This needs.
Nah, that's not gonna fix it. Cause look, it's this piece here. It's this piece that has to come up. Why does it look like it's more flat? See it?
Could have been whooped.
What, just my eyes?
Get the tape measure on. Good. Get a tape measure right here. Now let's clean up. Dude, that looks nice. Yeah, this side's not lining up as good. It's got to come back. Got to come back. So try to hit it from that hole. Hold it at that hole.
That's not there.
Hold it at that screw head. Straight to that bend. It's just about 6 foot to that bend. Find that hole. That will be up here. Right. That hole. Come on, you see it?
This one?
No. The tiny little hole.
This one?
Up more, towards me. That, I think.
Alright.
Right off. Well, we're gonna have to find a different fucking mark to measure from. Like maybe like there's a little loopy in there. A little loop.
Nope. I'm saying go on this side here and drop the tape.
Nah, you can't do like that. It's
Yeah.
tires.
Huh?
It's not on level ground.
See, how off do you think this really is?
20 inches. 20 inches to that bend.
So this is 30 3/4. So here.
Fender wire. 32.
There. See the difference?
It's got to come up and back.
So we're going to cut, see this where it's creased? We're going to cut that out and we're going to push it up.
Just build it up with something else.
Nah, because you can't slide this up the way because of all the contours. You know what I mean? This panel here starts pushing on everything else.
Oh.
You follow what I'm saying? We could just, if this inner panel wasn't in, we should be able just to slide this up.
That panel up.
We'll have to figure it out.
Weld that panel up. It has to come back. Alright, let's wrap it up.
Wrap it up! Jimmy, wrap it up. Rappy-tee-toe-toe.
Ooh, don't lose that.
What?